Hi children, now we are going to learn the fourth chapter, metric measures. Okay, metric measures. In this chapter we are going to learn about the length, mass, that means weight, capacity. Okay, length, mass, capacity. Okay, come we will see about length first. Okay, see here, Pinky and her mother measure the length of the same rod. This is the rod. Okay, this is Pinky and this is her mother, Pinky's mother. Okay, they measure the length of a rod. Okay, they are having a rod. Okay, and her mother measured the rod once and Pinky also measured the rod with their hand spans. Okay, with their hand spans. So what is hand span? Hand span is nothing but the distance between the tip of the last finger to the tip of the thumb finger, okay, of their thumb finger. Okay, that means the distance between. Okay, if you take a scale and if you measure it and expand it, okay, at its wide. Okay, look here. See, if you measure the length between the tip of the little finger and tip of the thumb, that is called hand span. Okay, see in so in ancient days and all, we measure the things using our hand spans. Okay, the length of the objects using our hand spans. Okay, so here also they use that technique. Okay, the Pinky and her mother use that technique to measure the hands rod, length of the rod. Okay, after the measurements, see they got different measurements, because see, Pinky is a small girl. Okay, her hand will be, compared to her mother, her hand, the length hand span will be less, small, that we know, because see, Pinky is a small girl. Since Pinky is a small girl, her hand span will be smaller than the hand span of mother. Okay, so they got different measurements. So to avoid this, okay, they have overcome this difficulty. Standard units are of length are required. So that is nothing but metric measures. The standard unit of measurement is called metric measures. What we call it as metric measures. Okay, see, it won't differ for metric measures. Okay, it won't differ for different people. For all the people who measure the thing, length will be same. Okay, that is a standard unit. Okay, and you know the scale, the length, if you take a scale, see here, it is divided into 15 equal parts. Equal divisions are there. 15 equal divisions are there. Okay, see, 15 equal divisions are there. That is nothing but It's a 15 centimeter scale, and each division 0 to 1, that is 1 centimeter. 1 to 2 is also 1 centimeter. Okay, so and see, in between 0 to 1 there are 10 divisions are there. That is nothing but the millimeter, and 1 centimeter is is having 10 equal parts. Okay, and that one equal part in 1 centimeter is nothing but 1 millimeter. Okay, understood children? So this type of standard units are invented. Okay, that is nothing but the metric measures. Okay, see, and we know we can't able to measure the length of the table using centimeter. Okay, it will be difficult. So that meter comes. Okay, meter comes. 1 meter is called the standard unit of length. So to what is the standard unit of length? Meter. Okay, so they invented the standard unit. Okay, that is called meter. So what is the standard unit of length? That is meter, and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Okay, and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Okay, and we write meter as m and centimeter as cm and millimeter as mm. Understood children? Okay, so to measure the objects we need the standard units. Okay, come we will see the example sums. Since the millimeter and centimeter and meter are smaller units, we can't able to measure the distance between two cities like that. Okay, it will be very difficult by meter and all we check. No, it will take time. So that kilometer is what? A bigger unit what? Kilometer is commonly used. Okay. So, 100 meters makes 1 kilometer, sorry, 1000 meters makes 1 kilometer. Okay. 1000 meters make 1 kilometer. Understood, children? So, what is these things you should keep in mind? Okay, what you should keep in mind? What? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. What? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, and 1 kilometer, that is the kilometer, we can write it as km, is equal to 1000 meters. Okay. Understood, children? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Come, we will use this to how we are going to convert the units from one unit to another unit. Okay. From one unit to another units. Okay. Come, we will see that. Conversion of units. Okay. To convert kilometers into meters. Okay. To convert kilometers to meters. To convert kilometers into meters, we should multiply the kilometers by 1000. Okay. See, what's the first question? Convert 3 kilometers into meters. We know the formula. See what we know? We know the measurement. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 what? Meters. So, 3 kilometers is equal to what? 3 into 1000 meter, that is 3000 meter. Okay, children, very easy, no? Convert 2 kilometers 30 meters into meters. Here this 30 meter is already in meters, so no need to convert this. Okay, just you add, just you only convert 2 kilometers into meters and add this 30 kilometers. Okay. So, 2 into 1000 meter, we know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So, 2 kilometers is equal to 2 into 1000 meter plus 30 meter, that is 2030 meter. Understood, children? How easy, no? Okay, come, we will go to the assignment sums in the next page. Assignment 1, convert into meters. Okay, come, we will see the one has been done for you. Come, we will go to the next one, second sum. Okay, 4 kilometer. Convert into meters. This is in kilometers, we should convert it in meters. Okay. We know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So, 4 kilometers is equal to 4 into 1000 meters, that is 4000 meters. Understood, children? So, in this way you should multiply, to convert kilometers into meter, you should multiply the kilometer by 1000. Okay. Come, we will see the fourth sum, 6 kilometer 400 meter. We know the thing you write, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. See here, so what, 6 kilometer 400 meter is the given one. So, we should convert only the kilometer, and after that you add the 400 meter with the what, this one. Okay. We want it all in meters. See, 6 kilometer 400 meters, no, we want in meters. This 400 meter is already in meter, so no need to convert this. This 6 kilometer only we should convert. Okay. So, we know 6 kilometer is nothing but 6 into 1000 what, a meter. Okay, plus 400 meter. Only you convert this one, kilometer. Okay. So, 6000 okay, plus 400 meter, that is nothing but 6400 meter. Understood, children? That is the answer, 6400 meter. Okay. What you should do? You should only convert the kilometer. Here see, 1 kilometer 500 meter. So, take it 1 kilometer plus 500 meter. 1 kilometer is nothing but 1 into 1000 meter plus 500 meter. Okay. So, this is 1000 meter plus 500 meter. That is nothing but 1500 meter. Understood, children? Okay. So, like this you do the remaining sums. Okay, children? Convert it into meters. Okay. Come, we will see the next topic. Now, we know how to convert kilometers into meters. Now, we will see about how to convert meters into kilometers. To convert meters into kilometers and meters, how to convert? See here, convert, come, we will see one example. Convert 3246 meters into kilometers and meters. So, what you should do, know, this the given numbers are there, no, you should convert, take the what? Yeah, you should take the 3 digits from the right, okay. From the right, this is right, this from here, this is left, okay. From the right, you should take 3 digits, okay, from the right and show it as meters, okay. See here, 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit. That is 246 that you show, you write it as meter, and the remaining digits are there, no, that you write it as kilometer. So, if you take this number 3246 meters, see from the right you take 3 digits 1, 2, 3, okay, that you take, consider as meter, and the remaining numbers are there, no, that you can take it as what, kilometer, okay. So, 3246 meter is nothing but 3 kilometer 246 meter. Understood, children? Come, we will see the assignment, okay, assignment 2. Okay. Convert meters into kilometers and meters. See, one has been done for you. Come, we will see the next one, second one. Look here, this is the given meters, 6329 meter is nothing but, see, from the right you should take 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, that you write as the meters, 329 as meters, and the remaining number is no 6 that you write it as kilometer. Understood, children? So, from the right you should take 3 numbers are there, no, that you write as meter, and the remaining number is there, no, that you write as what, kilometer, okay. Come here, we will see the 6th sum. Look here, from the right you take 3 numbers as the meter, 0, 0, 0 as meter, and 5 as the kilometer. Understood? I will do the 4th one also. From the right, okay, 1, 2, 3, that 500 you take it as meters, okay, and the remaining number is there, no, 3, that you write it as kilometer, 3 kilometers 500 meters. Okay, understood, children? Very easy, no? Come, we will go to the next page and we will see the next topic. Okay. So, what was the next topic? Here we are going to convert meters into centimeters, and also we know 1 meter is equal to how much? 100 centimeter. We are using this here, okay. So, 2 meters is equal to 2 into 100 centimeter, okay. If you take the first example, convert 2 meters into centimeters. We know 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So, 2 meter is equal to 2 into 100 centimeter. Convert 12 meters 20 centimeter into centimeters, okay. 12 meters 20 centimeter. So, what you should do? 12 meters 20 centimeter, no. This we should convert it to centimeters. This 20 centimeter already there. So, take it, write it as itself. And this 12 meter you can convert it into centimeter, that is 12 into 100 centimeter plus 20 centimeter, that is 1200 centimeter plus 20 centimeter is 1220 centimeter. Understood, children? So, this is the way how you should convert the what? Meters into centimeters. Come, we will see the assignment sums. Assignment 3 was the question, convert into centimeters. See, second one, 6 meters, convert it into centimeter. We know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So, 6 meter is equal to 6 into 100 centimeter, that is 600 centimeter. How easy, no, children? So, in this way do the next sum also. Come, we will see the 5th one, 17 meter 15 centimeter, that is, see, this one is in centimeter, only meter you should convert it into centimeter. So, you write it as 17 meter plus 15 centimeter, that is 17 into 100 centimeter plus 15 centimeter, that is nothing but what? 1700 plus 15 centimeter, that is nothing but 1715 centimeter. Understood, children? So, if you add 1700 plus 15, okay, will give you 1715 centimeter. Okay, I will do one more sum. 15 meter 20 centimeter, we should convert it into what? Centimeter. So, centimeter is already there, this meter only we should convert. So, we write 15 meter, we will split it, okay, split it. So, first we convert it, after that we will add it. Okay. So, 15 into 100, we know, okay, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So, 15 meters is 15 into 100 centimeter plus 20 centimeter. Okay. So, that is nothing but 1500, okay, plus 20 centimeter. That is nothing but how much? 1520 centimeter. Okay, understood children? Okay. So, in this way we can convert the given what? Meter and centimeter into centimeters. Okay. So, do the remaining sums like this. Okay, very easy one. Okay, if you understand the concept, it will be very easy for you to do. Okay. Come, we will go to next page children. To convert centimeters into meters and centimeters. Okay. To convert centimeters into meters and centimeters. See here, from the given number, the two numbers from the right will give you the centimeter and the remaining number will give you the meter. Okay. See here, 346 centimeter will give you 3 meter 46 centimeter. Here this 4118 centimeter will give you, if you take the two digits from the right, that will make centimeter part and the remaining number will make meter part. Okay. Understood children? Here also 800 centimeter means if you take the last two digits, okay, that will give you the centimeter part and the remaining number will give you meter part. Okay. Because what? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So, you just take the two digits from the right. Okay. This is, see here, this is from the right, this way. From here, start from here and towards this. Okay. Two digits, this digit, this digit. Okay. That you write it as centimeter. And the remaining digits, what are the remaining digits? Even if it is 1 digit, 2 digit, that you write as meter. Come, we will see assignment 4. Convert centimeters into meters and centimeters. Okay. See here 560 meter. I told you, no, from the right you take last two digits as the centimeter and the remaining number as the meter. Okay. Very easy, no children. I will do the third one. Look here. Take the last two digits, no, that you write it as centimeter and the remaining digit as the meter. Okay. So, that is 66 meter 25 centimeter. Okay. Understood? Clear, no? Look here 500 centimeter. The last two digits you write as centimeter and the remaining digit you write as meter. So, this is about the measurement of length. Okay. Using the units, standard units. Which is the standard unit of what? Length. Meter is the standard unit. Okay. And the greater measurements we can measure by kilometers and the smaller measurements we can measure using millimeter and centimeters. Okay. Understood children? And we know how to convert from kilometers to meters and meter into kilometer and meters as well as meter into centimeter, okay, and centimeter into meters and centimeters. Okay. This much we saw till now. Okay. See, understood that kilometer into meter, meters into kilometer and meters. Okay. And also what? Yeah, meter into centimeter and also centimeter into meter and centimeter. This much 4 types we saw, okay, in assignments. Okay, we saw in assignments. Okay, understood children? Okay, understand the concept. Okay, so that is what is the concept. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, and 1 centimeter is equal to what? 10 millimeter. These are all the main things. Okay, you should keep in mind. Using this, we are converting the units, bigger units into smaller units. Okay.